What if he told you he would handle all your bills and finances?
That's great. That's good. That's fine.
So you're going to stop working.
If he could handle my needs and wants, yeah, probably.
So you're willing to stay at home.
Um,
What is your name and how old are you?
I am Ranalyn. I'm 18 years old.
Renalyn, how long would you date a foreigner before moving in together?
I think that's not about the how long it. I think that it's from the communication you shared about the guy or something. Maybe that's too long to so you could um so you we could have a communication together to know each other like that. Maybe around a year before ago, yeah, like that.
What would make you feel ready to live with a foreigner?
I think if I know him much along and then we have a good communication and a lot of good things we had like that.
Would you keep working after moving in with a foreigner?
I think so. I would work too so I could have my finance okay. I could have a good finance to myself and to have my needs and wants not by spoiling me from the foreigner.
What if he told you he would handle all your bills and finances?
That's great. That's good. That's fine.
So you're going to stop working.
If he could handle my needs and wants, yeah, probably.
So you're willing to stay at home.
Maybe not, cause sometimes I'm not good into home. I'm not a homeaholic.
Oh, so you're not gonna be working, but you're gonna be like outside traveling with him like that.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh. Have you been to like out of the country?
That's good. If on if I wanted to be with him, I want to go to nature, like mountain climbing. So that's good for our peace.
No, no. I ask you because you said that you like to travel, right? You don't want to stay at home.
Yeah.
So, have you been to out of the country, like let's say USA or maybe Japan, somewhere nearby? Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
You did.
Yeah.
You went to which country?
Um, from America.
You went to America.
Yeah, before.
You did before.
Yeah, from my tita.
Oh, okay. So you went. So how long you've been to America? Like vacation, like months?
Months long. Yeah.
That's beautiful. So you just been to America. So that's why. Okay. This one, babe. Okay. What is one thing you would need from him before moving in?
The trust and the kindness he would give me and all the support and I just want to a man that he would carry me for a long time and he would love me not by he just love me about my appearance by loving me as me as who I am that like that.
What could make you regret moving in with him?
um I think if he would hurt me I would regret that because I don't want to I don't want to be hurt because my parents didn't hurt me so I don't want to be hurt
How can he hurt you?
about the feelings maybe on physical or something that he could make me feel hurt like that.
Physically.
Yeah.
Physically hurt you. If you agreed to move in together, but he wanted to live in Thailand, would you go? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah. Because Thailand was so good. There was a lot of place that it's so beautiful and I want to travel everywhere. Yeah. I think I want that because I have a partner. I could travel with him and that was so great to have a partner and traveling with other. So that was so good in your feelings that you have a man that we could have a traveling around the world. Yeah, like of that.
What if you're not gonna travel? You're just gonna live there for good in Thailand.
Um, it's great. It's good. Yeah.
Have you been to Thailand?
Not yet.
Okay, other than USA, where have you been? Like any other countries?
Just America, because I'm not good. I don't know what was the country of anything. I'm not familiar with everything.
So only USA.
Yeah.
Is your tita, your auntie, married to a foreigner?
Yeah. He will.
American.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why. Would you ever date a foreigner?
My tita said that I should marry a foreigner. But I don't think so. I like that, but I really don't know if I would marry a man like that. But maybe.
Why? Why you're not sure? Like you're still thinking. Why?
I'm not ready for commitment right now because I'm too young. I want to travel around the world and have fun.
Well, you're still studying, right?
Yeah.
In college.
Yeah.
What are you studying again, Beth? Sorry.
For eduk.
Education. You know, she said that I interviewed her before. She looks very familiar, but I don't remember which video was it. But she said, somewhere in Panganiban, when it was it my husband, the camera person.
Yeah. It was raining ago. It was raining.
I don't really remember, but sorry, I'm very bad with remembering things. Yes, very bad. Okay, I think it's because I'm getting old. That's why. Okay, so if you're ever ready to settle down because you're still young, right? 18 years old. So let's say maybe like 10 years from now or 15 years from now, why would you choose a foreigner? Let's say.
Maybe about the I think I really don't know, but I think about the kindness like that. I just wanted an foreigner that he could make me happy every day. Yeah.
Make you feel happy every day. What do you mean by that?
Just making me laugh.
So you want a funny guy.
Yeah, I want a funny guy because I'm a funny too.
Okay. Okay. Does age matter to you?
No, as long as we communicate and we have a spark together, yeah, like that.
You know, she's very pretty. You have a very beautiful face, Be. Very small, very beautiful. Are you raised and born here in Naga?
Yeah.
Raised and born here in Naga. Okay. Well, her friends are waiting. I think they're doing something. They were recording actually earlier. They're doing something. So I'm not gonna keep you for so long. Thank you so much, Be. We really do appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you, Be. We're actually guys in front of the church. So there's a mass. So thank you, Be. Thank you. Really do appreciate your honesty. What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Robbie Rose and I'm 18 years old.
Robbie Rose, how long would you date a foreigner before moving in together?
I think is 1 year because it is important to know each other po.
So you think 1 year is enough for you and him to know each other?
Yes po.
Would you keep working after moving in with a foreigner?
Yes, of course it is important to work because if you separate, it is means you have no money if you no have work.
What if he told you he would handle all your bills and finances? Continue working or stop?
I think I want to continue my working even it I have my he have to sustain me because it is important to the girls that you have a work uh for a long life for a journey. In this world, the most important is the money because if you dependent person, it means you not become a successful woman like.
What is one thing you would need from him before moving in?
If he has a stable work and if he can sustain me,
Sustain you like your
needs if we build a family.
okay. What could make you regret moving in with him?
If she is what that's called if he is bad person, violent person, if he is not uh, if he is not a person who love one who is who love one person. I for me, I want him that the only woman that he love is only me.
Oh, okay. So someone who is not cheater.
Yes, the man who is not cheater po.
Okay. If you agreed to move in together, but he wanted to live in Thailand, would you go? Yes or no?
For me, yes, because it is opportunity to go overseas po. To go outside this country po. Cause I want to travel around the world. uh,
So you're gonna miss your family, your friends.
of course, I miss them, but I think it's if I can what's called it, if I can,
You'll have the opportunity to be better in life. You would.
yes po. Yeah, kind of.
Well, she's still young, 18 years old.
Yes.
But are you in college, by the way?
Yes po. And UNC,
What are you studying?
I'm currently taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
No, since birth I don't have boyfriend.
Why? Because you're busy studying?
Yes po. For me it is I'm what's called it study first student. And
Are your parents very strict? Like someone who would say, don't have a boyfriend yet, study first, like those?
yes, my parents is very strict. She is the one to finish my college. After I finish college, it's okay to them that I have boyfriend to have a boyfriend.
Okay. So what is that, like 3 more years?
Yeah. If I can pass my college journey in a 4th year.
Are you raised and born here in Naga?
Yes po.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really do appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.